Example of low-code platforms are WordPress. This is for web experience, and we also have Squarespace. Next, low-code are the Appian and Zoho Creator. This is for mobile app development. And we also have here the OutSystems and Mindex for enterprise software development. So example of no-code for a website builder are Webflow. So this is Webflow. Webflow provides software as a service for website building and hosting. Their online visual editor platform allows users to design, build, and launch website. So we can see here their templates. So they have different templates you can use. So others you need to pay. So you can create also your own. Next, website builder is Editor X. So this is the Editor X, and Editor X is an advanced creation platform for designers and web professionals. The platform combines cutting-edge responsive design with smooth drag and drop. So this is the Editor X. So before you can use the applications with Editor X and Webflow, you need to sign up. Let us see what it looks like. Let's try this. All you need to do is to edit the templates. So this is how it works. So Webflow and Editor X are two examples of no-code website builder. Also, we have a no-code mobile application. The first application we have here is the Bravo. So you can create your iOS and Android mobile app with no code needed. So how does it work? Let's try this one. So let's enter the Bravo Studio. So this is the dashboard of the Bravo Studio. So let's discover some items here. So this is the sample apps created in Bravo. Next is the Supernova. So this is Supernova. Supernova enables the whole team to collaborate using the tools they love to deliver products faster, manage and share design system coherently across design and code to a degree never seen before. No more handoff. So let's try this Supernova. After you sign up, you cannot directly use Supernova because it says here you're officially on the Supernova Early Access waitlist. We will be in touch soon with more information. So we cannot log in and use Supernova unless we will be verified, I think. So we are still in the waiting list. Other example of no-code applications are also Notion. So Notion is an application that provides components such as notes, databases, boards, wikis, calendars, and reminders. So users can connect these components to create their own systems for knowledge management, note-taking, data management, product management, among others. So this is how it looks. Our next example is Play. Play is a powerful new product design tool for your mobile device. With Play, you can design, iterate, and experiment with your products as you create. No more proxy simulations or syncing to mirror apps to experience your design on your phone. So this is Play. And next example is the Anima. So Anima improves design and development workflow to deliver better digital experience while maintaining design and code quality. Design powerful interactive prototypes seamlessly, transform your static screen designs into fully responsive interactive animated prototypes directly in Sketch, Figma, or Adobe XD. So these are all examples of low-code, no-code platforms. I hope you enjoy. Thank you.